Alright, welcome back from the Blokees review, Transformers Blokees review. And this will be Transformers Blokees Optimus Primal Beast Mode. Okay, this is the Revenge of the Beast model kit, which I have assembled, but I'll just go through the basically the review with you in regards to his Beast Mode. Okay, so you save some time in regards to the assembling. So it is quite a bit tedious process. Alright guys, let's move this aside, and he comes with a big box, but however mine is already pre-opened before. Okay, so this is the instructions of the box is actually as you see it this way. Okay, so these are the instructions on how it is assembled, the Optimus Primal Beast Mode figure. Okay, he also has a robot mode. However, just like reviewing this so you see how the process is. Okay, this is how it goes, and it requires a lot of time to basically assemble. Okay, this is the animation art right here. Okay, it comes with all these things that you need to do as it is a model kit. It also comes with a sticker. Okay, I think you can see it a bit right here. However, I'm not going to open it. And it also comes with a few instructions on how to assemble the head, because the head, some parts come with electronics and requires batteries as well. How to remove them. He also comes with a set of hands, 4 sets of hands. Okay. Alright, so this is basically comes with a hand, which is with a fist with a thumbs up right here. Okay, it comes with an open-ended hand. You can see his gorilla fingers right here. You see also comes with another set of that. Quite nicely done. Then it comes out with the other hand as well, with your thumbs up hand, the left and right basically. Alright guys, and this package comes with the blast effects. Okay, 2 of this, which comes with this. Okay, this is the where he stands and you put the blast effects left and right. Okay, I think my friend did not actually include the blast effects for me for this short review. However, I think you get the picture. Right here, but the things he comes with. Guys, and here's Optimus Primal. Okay, his head does open. This is Optimus Primal. Okay, he's been assembled already, just for me to review. Okay, so he does have some glowing eyes when you touch him. So this is how the LED looks like. Pretty nice, up close and personal. Okay, so his mouth does open up and down. Does rotate left and right. Not a full 360, he just rocks his neck this way and up and down like that. Right, let's take a closer look at his face. Right, so I think the Blokees is actually knocking this figure out of the park. Basically, this kind of figures are actually sought after. Basically, a not so expensive Transformers toy, basically a model kit, and it's quite affordable and quite worthwhile. Okay, here his close-up looks. Okay, here you go, and the LED just springs up to life. Alright, and just to zoom out a bit, so he does have a beautiful butterfly joint right here. His hand does go a full 360. It also bends at the elbow. Okay, you can also swivel the hands. However, they're wanting sad is they don't have articulations on his fingers. Right, he has an upper torso movement right here, just like that. Also, the same goes for the other hand as well. Beautiful butterfly joint, one 360 view rotation, 180, sorry. And the butterfly joint actually rotates this way, and also the fist is on a ball joint, which can rotate. Does rotate left and right. Okay, here's a close look at his chest, the metal details of the Maximo logo right now, his mechanical parts. The chest is all quite detailed, it's quite nice. And here's the back. You can see the backbone of the monkey mode or the beast mode. Quite nicely well represented, sculpted well. But I think this is a pretty good collection to anyone who loves model kits. Right, speaking of his ab crunch, his ab crunch just goes up. This way, you can rotate left and right. However, if you rotate too much, it does come off, and it's also on the ball joint, the waist. Just pack it in. All right. Right now to look at his leg. So his leg is in one piece. You can rotate of 180 degrees. However, his feet is on the ball joint. It does rock side to side a bit. Does go up, swivel the movement this way. Right, I think that's all. You can't transform into robot mode, obviously. So take a look at his majestic chest piece. So his abdomen part, his legs, so his feet, and also the way he's sculpted. I do recommend if you do find a Blokees for him, get him and build him up. It's quite well represented. I mean, it's magnificently made. Guys, and yep, just have a last view of the Optimus Primal from Blokees. So it's quite detailed. Alright, and for information, this is the head, or the LED does actually stay on for 20 seconds, and if you want it to stay on again, just hit the head and the LED will basically pop up. Right, this is Cool Balls 2008 with the Blokees Transformers review for Transformers Rise of the Beast, Beast Mode, Optimus Primal. If you do like this review, click on the subscribe button below and it will bring you more cool reviews in the future. This is Cool Balls 2008 signing out. Cheers, bye.